Hey there, everybody. Alright, back at the house, starting some new stuff. It's been raining like every day. At the track, and I noticed that while I was driving the car, like above 120 miles an hour, I didn't really get a whole lot of pull. On the time slips, yeah, you look at this, yeah, I hit about 120, I think it was 1,000 foot, and I only gained a few miles an hour after that, so. I was looking at my bumper, and I've thought about getting the bumper vents in here before in the past, because above like 100 miles an hour, this right here really starts acting like a parachute. This thing is on here. It's kind of wiggly right now. Really starts acting like a parachute, and to relieve that, that's why you see a lot of people with the holes in the bumpers. So I was like, all right, screw it. I'll just bite the bullet, buy some bumper vents, and then after about 10 seconds about thinking about that, I was like, wait a minute, why am I gonna buy bumper vents? You know, I have an industrial like carbon fiber 3D printer, like I can just make my own. So spent about an hour or so on the CAD and came out with these guys right here. These are some carbon fiber bumper vents, carbon fiber nylon. So now I got those. And hey there, everybody. There's Mike crawling under his car.
How's it going?
All right. So we are pulling his transmission out again.
It ain't strong enough for what we're about to do.
Yeah. He really wants to take it to the track and put the beans down.
Let's put it this way: 12 seconds is unacceptable. If we can't get a 60 foot down, we'll get a back half.
Yeah. So we're gonna put all the power through her, turn her up all the way. Hopefully we can get some kind of traction. We'll see with those radials over there.
I might have to go buy somebody's front spindles and everything, just swap them back over.
Yeah, I keep telling him if he wants to get some good 60 foots, he's got to get some better tires. And the only way to do that on his, because he's got the GSR front end on here, so he needs a 15-inch wheel, but it's really hard to find a drag tire for a 15-inch wheel. That's why I ended up going with the smaller Civic brakes, so I can do a 13-inch wheel. So I got the DX front spindles on it, so I can have the I'm pretty sure you can just swap the calipers and the rotor and the pads.
That'd be nice, because I got a set up. I got my old, I don't trust those on the track.
No. I don't really have a set of brake.
I don't trust those.
You'd have to buy a whole new setup, so we might have to finagle something. I don't know, but he needs just better tires. But
I'll probably just buy the Strange for here in a couple weeks. The whole setup from Strange. Yeah, they make good stuff. So.
But yeah, he needs some tires like that. Whereas his radials are out in the shed right now. But yeah, he wants to put the power down, and this trans is not going to cut it on a 5-speed. So we're going to go ahead and pull it out, tear it apart, put the cuff in it, and that way it can hold a bit more power. Because, yeah, got to have that cuff in there if you're going to go crazy on the power. But even then, it's only good for so much. Yeah, you just got to be gentle with it if you're going crazy powerful.
We're going to try to, might have to do a pull this week, Wednesday, Thursday. We're going to try to get it on 30 pounds plus, so I want to try to shoot something here for 30 pounds. Might take a couple pulls to get it in there, and then after that, we just might as well just lock it.
We'll just put it to the top of the gate, see what happens.
Top of the gate.
Yeah.
I think the engine will take it.
Yeah.
I think it's got 4 or 5 more of those in it.
I mean, the engine's solid.
It don't make a lick of noise, does it?
This engine's been in here, and we haven't pulled it apart. We haven't pulled the head off in 3 years.
No.
It's just been solid, and it's been
kicking. We did a fucking bearing swap on the bottom end 2 years ago. 2 years ago.
We didn't take the head off.
Nope. Just did a bottom end bearing swap 2 years ago.
Yep. Pop the pan off, change all the bearings, put it back together, and she is solid ever since.
Yes, sir.
So that's just something you need to do once in a while, especially when you're spinning crazy RPM.
We might just go put bearings in it.
Yeah, that might not be a bad idea. Just do another refresh on her.
Right now.
Yeah.
Alright, well.
But we're gonna get started and working on this, get this transmission dropped out, and let's see how this goes. Well, assume the positions.
Assume the positions. That's our start.
Guess you're catching.
Yep, I guess that's my girl.
Alright, well, I'm loosening the top.
It's a little higher than normal. Oh, speed sensor, hold up.
Huh? Oh, speed sensor?
Good. I am ready.
Well, number one's coming out. I love when it's too loose to ratchet, but too tight to hand thread, you know? Okay. Number one out. Here she comes.
I'm ready. I love how I've done this so many times. I know the balance of it. I'm not your hands in there because I'm ready.
Ready?
Yep.
And go for it. There it goes.
You got that?
Hold on. Alright, get out.
Head's clear.
One-handed.
There we go. Yeah, usually. Yeah, there it is. That's how we do it. Was that 25 minutes? Maybe? We could do it faster.
Yeah, we've done it faster.
I got smashed. So,
Been taking it easy.
it's kind of,
I worked today.
it's crazy how you smash your finger really bad and then you literally hit it on everything. Everything. And it's just like inhibiting every movement because you're scared to touch anything anymore.
Or at the track when you cut the tip of your
Oh
finger
yeah, I
off.
tipped my thumb off right off the get-go, man.
You kept stabbing it on stuff.
Prone to it. Alright. Well, trans is out, so.
Yep, alright, where's the cart? The trans cart.
Alright, do that thing and I'll get the trans cart.
Nice. Good job.
I knock it all out in one go. Perfect, every time.
Before you forget to put it back in again.
Yeah, put it in the drawer. That drawer. Right there with that thing.
Where's the wrench?
In my hand.
You have to just bust it in by hand, looks like. Yeah, there you go.
Half inch on that and I'll start working on this.
Here, hold it real quick.
Crack that one.
Almost. Nice, that was almost smooth.
You. I think you. Yeah. Go ahead and go.
Mm.
Those.
Flatheads. Peppers. Those little nails you had earlier. Oh, you got flatheads?
They put up though.
You say you had flatheads. Oh. You get that pry bar, or you put it over too?
Yeah. I don't use that, dude. Go get an actual flat tip.
Take your pick. Choose your weapon. Right here. Go. Love that style Honda fluid.
Mm-hmm. I grabbed me 10 mils. So I'm really done with it. Reverse. No metal chunks anywhere, so that's good.
Yeah, she was good. She made it through alright.
Drove just fine back home.
Oh, just stabbed me. Oh, my own fingernail. That was awesome. Ooh. Fancy. Mm-hmm. You gotta unloosen, right? Okay. This is the way you push the car. Push the car.
Go to. Get in there where they.
That socket.
Mm-hmm.
Ring up this time. GSR gear set now with a cuff. Alright. So far.
To hit it. To pin it.
I got stuff for that.
Alright, well. Mm-hmm.
That'll do. Motherfucker. It slid up. Yep. Alright.
Hold on.
Trying.
You
Balance
done
all
put
this.
yourself in a pickle.
There we go. Got all this together still with my hand. On this end. Alright, any pieces that fell? Yes.
Yeah.
There's a whole gear right here. Alright guys, check it out. Got Mike's transmission all back in.
Yeah.
All together. Got his boost pipes on. He's almost done. He's got a few more little things to do
Good start.
in there. Yeah, I'll probably start right now.
Oh, battery. I got to plug battery up.
Yeah. Other than that,
Just got it done.
yeah, I was working on customer's H22 swap right there. He had a leaky rear main seal. Also, bolt got stripped out apparently. He wanted me to helicoil that. A few other things. Also, repairing an axle right here. The axle boot was starting to tear, so we went ahead and replaced that boot. These axles are not cheap because they're swap axles, so it is actually cheaper just to have someone rebuild them rather than just replacing them over a stupid boot. But I got that going on, but can't finish this right now. As you see, the heavens decided to open up. Got a double rainbow there, or single rainbow now. It was a double a second ago. But yeah, I'm getting this all squared away because Mike really wants to hit the track and bust out a 10. A something better than a 12-1.
It's gonna happen. If we can get a somewhat at the first 100 feet, it's a move out on the first 100 feet. Once I get to third gear, the parties should be on. Should be.
I'm gonna take it down about 8 psi in the tire pressure. Yeah. Hopefully the bead holds on those guys.
Working on. Probably gonna get. I'm looking at a couple setups. I might get the Strange brand set up. The whole brake calipers, rotors, stuff like that. I might go to the small 3-piston ones that they got.
Or Mickey Thompson actually makes a set of tires for the 15s.
That's the brake system. Well, I'll go down to the 13s and have a spindle set for the 15s, like a daily drive.
I was saying you can put the Mickey Thompson on your 15s.
I know,
so you don't have to have.
13 would be a meatier tire.
Yeah, you get a lot more sidewall.
And I still have better brakes than what I got now. So.
Yeah. Yeah, he's getting it all squared away.
That's in the works.
And so we're gonna keep crack-a-lacking on this. Hopefully this rain calms down. I gotta finish this axle, but like I said, it's coming down right now pretty good. So I'm probably gonna call it here. I'll pick this up again tomorrow. Do your adios again.
Adios.
Nothing.
Maracas.